Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful, brand new 2023 21 SPX from Sea Ray. Now this is a great family boat. It's got an 8'6" beam on it, so there's lots of space in the interior. Great for tubing, water sports, and just cruising around the lake. But on the outside, you have this beautiful Sea Ray blue with the white hull bottom. You're gonna have these cleats around the entire boat, 6 in total, stainless steel, looks very sharp. You have a nice big bimini top on this boat, giving you lots of shade in the sunshine. Your gas cap is right here, nice easy access. Again, another stainless steel cleat in the back here towards the stern. Moving around to the back side, you have this big platform here with SeaDek on top. Very nice material, lots of space here just to hang out if you're anchored. You have a tow point back here for your tubers, skiers, or wakeboarders, which is nice. You have your nice ladder here that you can easily climb in and out of the boat from. And you do have this platform that will drop down into the water when the stern drive is all the way down. So you can use this to board the boat if you want to, or just hang out on the back side. You have a stainless steel grab handle back here and a 12-volt outlet as well, so you can blow up any water toys that you do have. So that is the exterior of this 21 SPX. Let's check out the interior. All right, we have made our way into the interior of this 21 SPX. We have a nice, beautiful walkway here with SeaDek. Makes it easy to get inside to the cockpit area and get out to the back of the platform as well. You will have storage underneath these compartments as well, which is very nice. So you can throw a dock line in there if you like, or towel bags. Locks up like so. And then underneath this hatch, as I lift it up, you're gonna see your 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser engine that produces 250 horsepower. Plenty of power to tow your tubers and your skiers. Off to the left side, you have this nice deep storage for your towel bags, fenders, dock line, life jackets. So plenty of storage on this 21 SPX. Close this back up. Underneath this L-shaped seating configuration here, you're gonna have your cooler here, so you can throw ice in there, your drinks, maybe some sandwiches as well. Storage underneath this seat. You have a dedicated cooler spot underneath this seat as well. So lots of versatility. The usability in this boat is great. Your captain's chair, your co-captain's chair, so you can have your partner in crime sitting there. They do have bolsters on each seat that flip up, which is great. Looking at your helm area, you have your traditional gauge cluster here. You have your Fusion audio system, so you can connect to Bluetooth, listen to your favorite tunes. You have your switches, your physical switches off to your right as well. Throttle, all in a great position, feels great. Nice steering wheel, finished off nicely. Your recessed glove box is over on your left side here, which is great for the driver. Just gives them good visibility through the windshield. Couple cup holders. Opening this door here, you're gonna have lots of storage underneath here. And as you can see, we have the prop right there, and that needs to be put on, obviously. But lots of storage underneath there. And then I'll move out of the way to look up at the bow area. You have a nice bow filler cushion on this 21 SPX. You're making the bow almost like a big sun pad, so you can lay out, enjoy the sun. The kids are gonna feel nice and safe up there. You have 2 speakers, 2 grab handles. So as a driver, I know my kids will be nice and safe up there, okay? You guys, this is the 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX here at the MarineMax Rogers location. I encourage anyone and everyone to come out and view this boat or give us a call and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.